Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showing you how I paint on fabric using acrylic fabric paints. First, I use a 3B pencil and I just sketched my design on it, which is a peony flower. After you're done with your sketch, these are the materials you need to start painting. First is tape, painting palette, brushes, and fabric paint from Faber Castell. Then I secured the bag first with tape. Then I put a scrap cardboard so that the paint won't go over the other side of the bag. Before opening the paint, make sure to shake it well first as said in the instructions. Then I put my paintbrush in the water just to dampen it before dipping it in paint. One thing I noticed is that the paint gets soaked up instantly because it has a watery texture. Peonies symbolizes good fortune and happy marriage, but in tattooing, it's considered a symbol of peace, distinction, and wealth. Peony plant can also live for over 50 years. Then I mix together the colors light flesh and orange to make a darker shade for the petal edges. Then the black outline. I love doing outlines and line work, both in drawing and tattooing. It makes the artwork look comprehensible from a distance and makes it look bold. Black background is my thing too because it makes the artwork stand out more. Adding a white outline adds more detail and makes the color pop more. And there you have it, painting on fabric with peony design. Overall, the paint was great. You just need patience because the paint gets soaked up easily. Hope this video helped you guys. Like and subscribe to my channel for more art videos.